Hey guys, and welcome back to EJ Sport RC. So today I want to review a product from Team EAM Motorsports. It's the new digital caster gauge for the Awesomatix A800R. So in the package you get the digital gauge. It looks like you also get an aluminum mount. Yeah, aluminum mount, and then looks like it has the recessed area to actually slide over the hub, and then that will sit on there. And I'm assuming they're wanting you to use some sort of a thin double-sided tape to mount that down. So I have heard from people that have used this that let's say you're running 4 degrees of caster on the gauges, and they put this on there and you're actually well below that or above it, depending on your gauge itself. So we're going to put that to the test today and see how it goes. Alright, so as you can tell, the caster pointer is pointing right at the 4, right on the 4. So I have test fitted the little bracket that comes with it, and it is pretty tight on the hub when you first put it on, and you actually just let the head of the screw push the plate down. So we will turn this on. We'll zero it, and then we're at 3.6. And so the gauge, as you saw, did say 4. So it's what, 3/10, 4/10 off? That's quite a bit, depending on if it is completely off from the other side. So let's check the other side. Alright, so we've got the box zeroed out, and I have the plate on, and the gauge was at 4 just like the other side, and I think the other side was 3.6. So let's see where this one's at. 3.1. So it's a degree to 9/10 off of what the gauge said, and it's 5 to 6/10 difference right to left. That's quite a bit. I might be a fan of this tool. I definitely think it's worth taking a look at. And let's see, for 56 bucks, to be more accurate with your setup. Okay. Yeah, I would say hit up Team EAM Motorsports, check that out. So I was kind of fiddling with this box, since it is a caster and camber gauge if you had the right way to mount that, which there's no way on this Huddy tool to do that. So what I was doing, there is a flat spot and a groove for your your toe that you look at with your clear acrylic, and so there is a kind of a center line with this, and there's a hold button, and in the middle of the hold button there's an and symbol. So what I did was I just set that there, centered the and, the hold it with the line, and I have two. It's between 2 and the 3 mark. I was trying to get to 2.5 of front camber. So I ended up with 2.8 on that side, and then this side line up the little line in the and. So I got 2.3. So you can get a whole lot more accurate with this than you can the gauges just by eyeballing the hash marks. But this way you can also at least match your right to left. So that's a pretty good thing. Now I know it's not meant to sit like this, but it's just something I thought of. I'm like, hey, I wonder if, you know, I can tell actually how much camber right to left. And both of these are flat, so and I've duplicated it. So I would give this tool 2 thumbs up on this one. As I said, I will put the link down in the comments where you can find this. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and always subscribe to the channel for more future content. And we'll talk to you later. See you on the next one.